Greetings everyone. I'm going to show you today how to self-clean Samsung washing machine. It's a Smart Care VRT Plus high efficiency Samsung washing machine. As you can see here, this is the Samsung Smart Care VRT Plus. HE indicates for high efficiency. You see all the controls are here, the regular controls that we use, and then this side is all the power, start, and all the digital controls. So what we need to do is, first thing first, we power it on like this, and then you see certain wash settings are eliminated, and then certain load settings or washing settings are eliminated on the digital panel. What we need to do is go and hit self clean, the bottom button here that says, okay, so we press that. If you notice, once the self clean is pressed, all the lights on the knob they turn off. That's very normal. And then machine smartly selects all the required settings of the self clean mode. Keep in mind, you do not need to change any of these things. You do not need to put any kind of laundry detergent or any soap or anything in your soap thing or in your softener thing. All those things, nothing. You can see the cleaning drum here, and then once everything is done and all these things you have checked, everything is in place, all you need to do is just hit the start button and let the machine run. So as you can see, it is starting now. The cleaning mode has started. The light will be blinking like this initially, and then the machine starts and does its job. Okay, it is starting now, and as you can see here, yep, and it will go through the process. Once it is done, it will notify you. So as you can see, it has now started pouring in the water. And it will take its own time, and when done, it will notify you, and there you go, you're done.